I am so ready for this. I finally have my hands on the new launch. This is Longing from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Every time this is like Christmas, Blend Bunny, seriously, thank you so, so much. Let's open this because I seriously can't wait. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Maggie! This is so beautiful. Look at those little like sparkly bits too, just like reflecting. You can see them really in the light. Ooh, 24 tragically beautiful shades. Oh my God. So this is not the 30 pan, and I'm kind of excited to see like this size again because they just did the Ellis collab, which is literally so fantastic. That was 45 shades. Oh my God, holy rainbow. Mwah, I love that one so much. God. This is beautiful. Why? I feel like crying already. Oh no. Oh no. That's actually for me really good luck. So I'm gonna keep the little seal on my mirror because I'm scared. It's not like I can't use the shadows or like can't use this palette. I'll just keep the sticker on that sealed because it seems like it's stuck in place. The mail shows makeup no mercy, and that is something that we all know. Anyway, the shades. Oh my God, dude, look at these. Look at how stunning. First of all, from like the neutrals to a little bit warmer to these cool muted tone, the teal to these like grayish blues, the purple. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I really can't wait for the shimmers. So I'm just gonna get into it. God, it looks delicious. Okay, I prime my eyes just ever so slightly. I'm gonna go in with Heartbreak first, which is this darker shade. I have an idea for a look, and so we're just gonna go. But starting off with Heartbreak, I'm going to actually pat this on the lid to see like, I love using Blend Bunny shadows. You don't have to like scrape your brush in the pan and this is what you get. You just tap and then pigment. You know what I mean, dude? Like, do you know what I mean? I hope you do. And if you haven't, please do yourself a favor and try Blend Bunny, man. I feel alive. I feel alive. Same thing on each side to the best of my ability. God, that shade alone, so good. So freaking good. Okay. I feel like I get angry. Maggie, I'm not getting angry at you. I'm just angry because I'm not actually angry. It's just, oh, I love makeup. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with Take Me Back, which is this like darker purple over here. It's like a dark muted amethyst or something. Take a little bit of it and I'm just going to kind of like work it into the crease on top of that other shade. Yeah, that's pretty. I feel like already I should have used like a lighter base, but that's fine. Like to prime my eyes. Because you see how it's like a little peachy, but oh well. My God. Stunning. Stunning. Not only do they blend like easily, but they blend so well because sometimes there's like a threshold of like, sometimes I feel like shadows blend so easily that they blend away. And I don't like that. I mean, there's a certain level of like that blended out and is just gone. Fleeting? Damn. Names. I'm gonna take Pleading next, which is the purple up from that. I'm really curious about this one because yeah, it does have like a dusty purple. Oh my God, that is very, oh, I love that. Again, weird on top of this base. I think that base was maybe not my best decision for this. I love that base, but like, kind of messing with my groove. Dusty, grayish purple. Wow. Yeah. I'm gonna take this shade. I think it says Dear Diary. Yeah. And I'm gonna see if I can do like a little brow highlight kind of situation with it. And I can. Whoa. The thing about these kinds of shades with Blend Bunny, ignore the fact that I still need to shave off half my brow. But the thing about these shades is I feel like I had never liked like lighter, like pastel tones or just kind of lighter shadows in general because they just did not perform well. And with Blend Bunny, I'm like, yeah. And even that, I'm like, okay, let's tone it down a little. Like, oh, calm down. I like that though. I'm watching Buffy for the first time ever, and I feel like I've gotten a little inspired from the makeup and that kind of like silvery or like an icy highlight. I don't know. Is this inspired by that? I'm not sure, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it so far. Are you surprised? You shouldn't be, honestly. I'm gonna prime my lower lash, and I think I'm gonna start off with Pleading, and I'm just gonna say stamp it down and then just go. Oh my God, I love these so much. Oh, Blend Bunny. A little tiny bit of Take Me Back in the corner. Literally, wow. 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 This is exactly how I was hoping it would look. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of shimmer. It's not a hard decision because all of them are going to be stunning, but I do think I need to use When It Rains and maybe a little bit of Remember. So When It Rains right here, I already know, dude. I already know. Oh, oh, whoa, oh my God, how do you do this? I'm just gonna take, I really actually want it to be very concentrated, like right on the center of my lid. And then okay, I'm gonna try to keep it. Stop, stop, how, my God. How does it look like that? Okay, so I'm so serious. That's what I want it right there. Ooh, it looks purple, and then it's all shifty, and then it's really cool. Oh my God. Okay, all right. So then this Remember shade, Sweet God. Sweet God. Oh my God. I mean, okay. I know. Like, how could I be surprised? I guess I'm more thrilled. I'm not surprised. I'm just thrilled because because of the wonderful things she does. Do doodle doodle do. Maggie, stop it. Okay, so tiny bit of Remember, and I'm just gonna kind of like tap ever so lightly. The lightest tap. I can barely feel it. Oh, yeah. Done. Except for maybe just like a little bit up here more. You know, I'm curious. I'm gonna take a little bit of Remember on a brush. Oh, I didn't use any of these on a brush. I'm gonna assume because I know Blend Bunny shadows that they all perform incredibly. So, but I'm gonna put this just a little bit more concentrated right here to see if I, holy crap. Holy crap. Look at my eye, dude. Look at it. Look at it. Literally stunning. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of When It Rains actually on a brush and put it right underneath here just to see. Just the tiniest boop. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's safe to say that this is absolutely stunning. I am so impressed, and I feel like I should not be because it's Blend Bunny and the quality is literally second to none. These eyeshadows are, I don't have the words actually. I just quickly want to say that like a personal thank you to Maggie for pushing through a lot of really personal stuff that we frankly have no idea about, and the little that we do know, to be able to share that online while running a business, while like having these launches, like I can't even imagine. So there's an air of emotion with this that I just feel like this again reminds me that this isn't just makeup for a lot of us, and I enjoy that because we can have something that we, you know, so deeply love and can celebrate and can enjoy whilst also going through a lot of really hard life things. So I just wanted to kind of take a minute to acknowledge that and to kind of like honor that, I guess, in a way. Times like this and things like this make me think that it just feels less alone. It feels less lonely, at least for myself too, and that's a really comforting feeling. Anyway, I just really want to say thank you to Maggie again. Thank you so much for this. Blend Bunny just as a whole is just so wonderful and has really changed my life with makeup, and it's just thank you. I love this. I can't wait to do another look, and I'm already obsessed with this. I know I'm not going to want to take this off. Love Blend Bunny so much. As you know, I'm affiliated with them. You can use Courtney with them if you want, and thank you so much if you do. So the palette goes for $42, and again, it has a mirror in it. Unfortunately, mine was just broken. No big deal. I can literally still use it, and I can just use a mirror from another palette. There are 24 shades inside, and the shimmers, I cannot tell you how, like the texture, how they wear, just truly some of my favorites in the game. So, lovely palette. I think the size is really cute too. They're really doing a fantastic job. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!